Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 27th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Nasdaq 100. That's QQQ on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's resize these charts and take a quick look and see what was going on here this past week. On this quarterly chart, we still see green. We're still below a yearly R2. We still haven't broken my all-time high that my 630 that I think we need to break in order to get in an area where we will push to get all-time highs. All right, let's go down to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we are still above the 910 moving average. That's this line right here. We're still green and we are above a quarterly R1 and all. So we're still looking very bullish. We're looking like we're going back on the right track. So everything is looking good at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and all, because what happened here on this weekly chart that's kind of interesting. We had this red on red harami, then we got in this green candle here this past week, short holiday week. But when we go down to the daily chart, we're going to see something where I think the Christmas rally has started. The Christmas rally is in place and all, based on how you want to play the Christmas rally and all. So that's what I see here. Again, we're still we have two inside weeks. These two candles right here, they're both inside this red candle. So again, are we setting up is this enough consolidation inside of this candle in order to break this candle high? And when I say this candle, I'm still talking about this red candle. And that this candle high is it is 629.21. So it's 79 cents away from my number that I think we need to get above. And if we can get above that number, then I think we have a pretty good chance of breaking all-time highs. But we just got to wait and see what we see there. Let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and see what we see here on this daily chart. What we see here, a short week, and all. But on the short week, Monday, Tuesday, I think it was Monday, Tuesday was still trading days and all. We got a bullish engulfing, near top, but the start of the week, that's a good thing. And we had a confirmation of it. And now here on Friday, we had a red candle. We had confirmation, and it's still a follow-through, a red follow-through, red on red. I mean, a higher low, and a higher high. I say higher lows and higher highs, and that's been going on here. So I'm kind of okay with that and all. And I'm okay with now when it comes back to the Christmas rally whole thing, we had a low back here. And this low back here, I want to highlight 17th, 18th. I believe Wally said the Christmas rally usually starts on the 19th in our call. That's one of the things that some of the information that we get when we're on those calls and stuff. And all he told us before it actually had happened and all. And we are seeing that we are getting a rally. So that's one of the nice things about joining Right Side Trading and all. There's a lot of good information there. I share some of the trades and stuff that I'm looking at times, not that often, usually a few out of the year, or I will mention things at times. And there's other people on the call that you can hear experienced traders talk about their trades. Well, they don't talk. We don't get to talk. We chat and mention things that they're looking at also. So in that thing, that makes it kind of good. And that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to share. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody have a Happy New Year. And I'll be speaking to you next year. Have a good one. This is Right Side Trader. Happy New Year. Bye.